experienced student living at its finest at Chelsea in New York, where style and functionality blend perfectly. Choose from a wide range of fully furnished, non-ensuite units, featuring a big, cozy bed and a well-stocked kitchen so you can cook for yourself and your roomies, sweat it out in the equipped fitness center, tackle loads of laundry in the in-house facility, or focus on your academic grind in the study rooms. The on-site management is available to ensure your stay is hassle-free. Oh, and you can say goodbye to additional expenses with inclusive utility bills for unlimited convenience. You are just a few minutes drive away from the Fashion Institute of Technology and Baruch College. With the 18th Street subway station just a stroll away, you can explore the city after hectic classes, and when hunger strikes, satisfy those Mexican cravings at Selena's restaurant, El Coco, or other eateries available nearby. So get ready for the greatest NYC adventure ever at Chelsea in New York by booking your spot at amberstudent.com now.